Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Java pass-by-value can be super tricky on the AP exam, but we can solve this code snippet in just a few quick and easy steps. First, notice that the changeIt method reassigns the array parameter to a brand new object. In Java, this only affects the local reference and leaves the original nums array completely unchanged. Next, we look at the primitive integer and the string object. Since Java passes by value, changing these local copies inside the method has zero effect on the original value and name. Finally, when the start method prints the variables, they retain their original values. This means the output must be option E. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Remember that reassigning parameters never changes the original calling variables.